Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill again using a short article. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence. You should repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short article. Okay? Are you ready? Please listen and repeat after me. Canada is north of the United States. Mexico is south of the United States. The Atlantic Ocean is east of the United States. The Pacific Ocean is west of the United States. There are many large rivers and lakes in the United States. The longest river is the Missouri River. Well, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence, and you should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Okay, ready? Canada is north of the United States. Mexico is south of the United States. The Atlantic Ocean is east of the United States. The Pacific Ocean is west of the United States. There are many large rivers and lakes in the United States. The longest river is the Missouri River. Well, do you still remember the article? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Are there many large rivers and lakes in the United States? Question number 2. What is the longest river? Question number 3. Is Canada north of the United States? Is Mexico south of the United States? What ocean is east of the United States? The last question. What ocean is west of the United States? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.